Hey everyone, in today's video I want to do some comparison between the Autosnipe AI and NovaBot. Okay, so let's start with Autosnipe AI. It's a tool which already been established on the market and the people are actually using it in large numbers. Okay, by looking at this chart, we can see that there is about 200,000 people visiting the Autosnap AI on a monthly basis. Okay, basically the people are actually, it looks like the people are liking this tool. That's why they're using it frequently. Okay, but the thing is that there are so many other tools out there which they are similar with similar functionalities to Autosnipe AI, and among them there is a Nova trading bot. And for some of you guys, you already know what the trading bots are and how to actually use them. Before we move forward with this video, I just want to let you know that this is not a financial advice. Everything what I'm saying here is only for entertainment and educational purposes. Okay, so do your own research before you actually decide to invest in one of those tools, right? So but let's start and let's talk about some key features of each of those, right? So for example, in Nova, you Solana trading platform with a broad suite of tools. Okay, you got a few tools which they're available here for you. Okay, and to start using it, you just simply go and click on Telegram, and that Telegram will bring you over to this page where you can see the bot, and you can start actually doing some just some settings and start trading on it, right? So it's a Telegram bot, and there is also a Chrome extension which you can add into the Bulex, for example. But to start doing any sort of transactions on this particular one, you just have to go and join their Telegram first. Okay, and get yourself familiarized with it. Okay, you can go to settings, you can go to wallets positions, you can start doing some sniping. You can also go and do some copy trading if you want to do so. That's no problem. Just simply click on it and it will bring you into a screen like that, and if you want to start and do new task, we're going to ask you, please send a wallet address you want to copy trade from. Okay, so basically what you have to do, you have to find out the wallet you want to track and start copying trading on it, and you just put in here and you can start doing it right now. Okay, so what this is in comparison, for example, to Autosnipe. Okay, Autosnipe AI, it's really focusing on meme coins, right? On the meme coins, specifically on Solana network, okay? And I think that's great because this is something which is specifically a niche oriented platform where you'll be trading, those meme coins, which obviously, as we all know, are coming up into the market, in large numbers on a daily basis, right? So, and what you can do with those, okay, you can start AI sniping them. Okay, you can go to so-called meme vision, find the best meme tokens and track the latest migrations. Okay, that's definitely very helpful. It was added just about 2 weeks ago. Okay, and we can start, we can see where newly created, graduating and graduate, right? Where it comes to Nova, however, okay, those type of information, it's not really there. So you have to do your own research before you decided to go ahead and start actually do some copy trading. Okay, or want to do some buys, right? Okay, so this is something which you have to do separately. Right here on the Autosnipe AI, actually it is built in. Okay, and you can start do some research before you decided that you want to start copying particular wallet, for example. You can definitely do all the research here on the Autosnipe website, which is absolutely fantastic. You don't have to go anywhere because all the due diligence before you make your own decisions can be done here. Okay, so for example, you want to do AI snipers. Okay, you definitely can go activate AI sniper to earn automatically while you sleep. All right, so once you start activating, okay, here is the few snipers all available here now. You can go and just activate them. All right, into link to your wallet. And once its wallet is linked and you put the settings, for example, you can go and create your snipe, okay, and you can go and name your snipe, okay, a coin pair, platform, radio, or palm farm. Also, you do some listing types, and they are available here. Like, for example, you want to do the trending 24 hours, trending 6 hours, trending 1 hour, trending 5 minutes, okay, everything is there for you, right? For example, only tokens up to this rank will be sniped, okay? So when you go do the rank, you can definitely make your own adjustments to the way you prefer to start trading that bot, so that bot will be trained start trading the way like you actually will specify it for them, okay? So once you're ready with everything, you just go and continue and you create your own cipher, right? But before you do that, as I said, like, you can go and you can start do some like, for example, you can use that option meme vision when you click on it, okay, and you're gonna see and you can do some research on it, okay? You can see, for example, if you see like those coins that have been graduated already, okay, so you can click on them and you can start, do some investigations. You had a built-in trading charts. You always see all those transactions happening. I think it's quite cool. It's really a nice interface, and it's helping you out a lot, while doing the decision what you want to actually go and start, for example, Autosnipe, and do some copy trading, for example, okay? If you are happy with this, for example, you want to go and buy it, you can straight away, you can click on the buy token and you start, you can do just transactions right on the on this using the interface on Autosnipe, okay? In Nova, in comparison, okay, as I said, everything is based on here on the Telegram. Doesn't mean it's not helpful, okay? Nova is also very good, okay, but as I said, guys, you just have to be you have to do your own due diligence, outside of the Nova bot, right? Where here on Autosnipe you can do everything in one place, which is great. Plus, Autosnipe is really good when it comes to the speed of transactions, okay? So I think that's great, when it comes to it. Speed really matters in those type of trades. So you might consider like Autosnipe is one of the best platforms out there, which provides you with the fastest trading bots, right? Okay. So look, just to, if you want to at this point where we want, for example, to see if you want to choose Nova, okay, so you want a full featured Solana trading platform with various order types, copy trading, and general trading tools, in addition to sniping capabilities, okay? Nova, yes, definitely it can help you out with this, right? On Autosnipe, on the other hand, okay, your primary goal is to quickly snipe newly listed meme coins, right? On Solana. It appears to be a more streamlined and a focused tool for this specific purpose, right? So basically, I think for somebody who actually wants to go ahead and start do some trades on the newly created brand new tokens, or you want to do some due diligence before you make your decisions, okay? For example, you click on it here, you see new pairs, you can do some investigations, you can click on them, you can see how the chart is performing, some more transactions here and there. And then when you decided that you, for example, you want to go ahead with investing in particular coin, okay, you can make your decision on the go here, and then start. For example, you can start trading straight away from the platform, or you can go and for example, and you can create your own AI sniper, right? So this is something which is quite cool, because it gives you some sort of flexibility. You can do everything here at one time. You don't have to flick between one software and another to do so. Obviously you can okay, you do your own research. It's up to yourself how long you're gonna spend on do those researches. Obviously more time you spend, more you might be more informative decisions you probably will make. But as I said, like, Autosnipe is actually incorporating so many cool features inside their platform already. Like, for example, copy traders at hyper speed, so mirror buy and sell orders from targeted traders on Autosnipe, right? So basically, you just need to copy a target address from any platform. You just go and find one, and you can go and just copy and you paste it here. Paste the target address below, set your copy trading amount, and activate. Okay, that's how easy it is to start copy trading this on Autosnipe. When we coming going here into the Nova, right? If we do the copy trading, for example, let me see, where is the copy trade, okay? You definitely can do very similar to this one, okay? New task, okay? As I said, like you just need to put your address here and you can start, you put your settings right the way you like it and you can start trading also right away, okay? But as I said, like, Nova is fully, it's like, it's a Telegram based bot, okay? Which obviously you can now incorporate through the Chrome extension into the Bullets, right? But here on Autosnipe, you do it everything on one platform. Plus, Autosnipe, I think what the cool thing about Autosnipe is, when it comes to fees, they are very transparent, right? Okay, so for example, if you use the Autosnipe while using my referral code, which I'll be posting inside the description of this video, you'll be paying 0.9 percentage fee for every transaction, right? Without the referral code is 1%. Okay, so bear in mind, if you use the referral code, you will save yourself like a 10% of the platform fees, right? Plus, obviously, you have to pay for the Solana gas paid to Solana and so on and so forth. Okay, but the platform itself will take that, and they are very transparent. If you use the referral code 0.9, without that is 1%. Okay, so I think that's cool about the Autosnipe. They're transparent when it comes to the fees. Their functionalities, they grow massively. People are visiting their websites on a regular basis, and people are trading here. They're coming with the new things. For example, this meme vision, which we just covered a few minutes ago, was introduced about maybe 2 weeks ago, right? So it's quite new, and it's quite interesting, and I think it's something which you guys might find very useful to have, right? So you can do your research before you make your own decision, right? So guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video, right? So I think that's both of those platforms are quite cool, right? People are using NovaBot this is very popular platform, and also the Autosnipe. Autosnipe is I think the Autosnipe is from the perspective of how easy it is, first and foremost, how functionalities wise. Okay, you can do your own research, you can set your a sniper, so you can start copy trading. Plus, if you use the referral link, it's even cheaper, okay, to do it. So this is, I think that's all what you'll be getting by sitting on your own one website like Autosnipe, okay? Where here you just have to flip between a few things, like for example, do your own research, then you can go back and set your trades here, okay? And but still, look, guys, it's really up to yourself. I think both of those tools are quite cool. I know that the Autosnipe is very people are actually liking it because it's so quick, right? So bear in mind that the speed here, it really matters, since Autosnipe is one of the best out there on the market, which gives you the fantastic speed when it comes to trading those, especially those new coins, right? So or if you are trading on the news, when it comes to the something will popping up, and you just the speed really matters in those occasions. So guys, I think Autosnipe is great. Nova is also good, but do your own research before you decided to put any of your money to any of those tools. However, as I said, like Autosnipe is really cool because you got everything on one platform. Plus the fees are very transparent, okay, and they are very quick, okay, in executing your trades. So basically, after you set your sniper, you can just simply go and check it out from time to time, obviously, to make sure that it's performing the way like you're expecting it to be performing. But the thing is that it will actually automatically perform the transactions for you, like while doing the copy trade. Okay, guys, so I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.